Every day, business receives tons of customer feedback, but let's be honest, these emails are long, unstructured, and painful to read one by one. But what if you never had to read these emails manually again? Using Power Automate's AI Hub, we can automatically analyze every incoming email. We can extract the customer name, rating, and comments and send a clean, structured message directly to Microsoft Teams instantly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build this entire automation step by step. So before we start the live demo, here is a quick overview of the workflow we are about to build. We begin with unstructured customer emails arriving in the inbox. A Cloudflow is triggered automatically whenever a new feedback email comes in. The email goes into a dedicated feedback inbox. Then we pass it to a GPT action inside Power Automate. Next, we provide a custom prompt that tells GPT exactly what to extract: the customer name, email, rating, and comments. GPT convert the messy text into clean structured data, which we can use anywhere. Then we send these insights to a Microsoft Teams, so your teams get instant notification. We test the flow with sample data to verify the extraction works correctly. And finally, we have the complete workflow running end to end, fully automated. So let's do that practically. I will choose the automated cloud flow because I need to trigger this flow when an email arrives. So I put this name as email extractor. So when a new email arrives, we will choose this. Okay, click create. As you can see right now, it's connected with my normal email, which is courseelevate@simplevikram.onmicrosoft.com. But in this scenario, this should be connected with an email which is dedicated for receiving feedback. Okay, as we are doing this as a practice exercise, but in actual scenario, this email should be changed with that email so that this Outlook trigger should extract email from the right inbox. So here we'll click on plus icon. In the AI capability, we will choose create text with GPT using a prompt. So in the prompt, we will choose new custom prompt. So let's give a prompt meaningful name, feedback extractor prompt. So in the instruction, so we provide the instruction that read the email and provide some meaningful information. Okay. So we will ask to populate some of the fields. So we'll write you are an AI assistant and reads emails. You extract relevant fields from email. Please extract the following fields. So what we need is customer name, we need email address, ratings, and rating should be in integer. So we will provide additional information. This should be in integer. And last we need review comments. So we are using ChatGPT to do this activity. So we also need to add an input text. So we need to provide the email. So in the sample data, so I have asked ChatGPT to provide such email which is having a complaint done by the customer and provided the ratings and the similar data. So let me put that over here. So dear customer support team, my name is Brent Johnson and I am reaching out to share my recent experience with your services. My registered email address is this. Based on my recent interaction, I would give your service a rating of 3 out of 5. So this is the email which customer has provided. Okay. So we'll provide this email as a sample input, close, and we need to change the model because this is a complex activity. So we will change it to the GPT 4.0 standard for good quality. And one more thing, we need to change the output to JSON instead of text. So I think we are done. So let's test this prompt, how it works. So the customer name, we got the response. Customer name is Brand Johnson. Email address is Brand. Rating is 3. Review comment is based on my recent interaction. I give service rating 5. So that's perfectly it is recognized. Okay. So let's save this. So in the email, we will select the value. So when a new email arrives, so we need the body of the email. Okay. So we'll say see more. So we need the body of the email. So here we have provided when a new email arrives. So this will trigger the flow and we will provide that email data to the chat GPT. Okay. So now let's click on this icon. So now we need to get that message in the Teams channel. Okay, so I'll click on see more. I'll choose post message in a chat or channel. Post as Flowbot, chat with Flowbot. Hi team, new feedback as received. Below are the details. So here we'll write customer name. So we'll pick it from here. Okay, so we'll get this data from the chat GPT. This is the customer name. Then we have email address. So let's pick the email address. Then we have ratings. I got this rating. And then we have comments. So these are review comments. So let me save this. Recipient is required. Okay. So here I'll add myself. Course elevate. Okay. So click on save. Okay, we'll ignore this warning as usual. So we need to test it, right? So for that I need to send an email here. Okay, so let me send this email. Click compose, course elevate, subject email from email feedback from customer. So I'll paste this sample data. All right. So let me send it. So this is my Outlook. So let's wait for the email. I received an email feedback from customer. Okay, so let's wait for the Teams message. I got the message. Hi team, a new feedback has received. Below are the details. Customer name Brad Johnson, email address brad@242@gmail.com, rating is 3, and comments. Perfect. So think how easy it is. So we don't need a team of people who will do this activity. So this can be easily done by your flow. So let's try it out with some another example. So I have one more email. So this time I'll send different email and see how it works. So let me copy this email, compose, course elevate, second email from customer. This time this is Maria. Click on send. Okay, let's wait for Outlook. I got an email. Okay, so let's wait for the team message. So I have taken an example to display all this in the team message. So we can also have an Excel sheet which is placed in the OneDrive, and you can also store this information into that Excel sheet as well. Okay, so we got the team message. Perfect. A new feedback has received. Customer name is Maria. Email address maria23@gmail.com. Rating is 1. So I think we are good in that. So that's the practical example of using AI Hub. This is the flow. First one executed 6 seconds. Another one is 3 milliseconds. Okay, so let's see this one. 3 minutes ago, it executed successfully. So this is the output we received. Customer name Brand Johnson, email address, perfect, and this is the post message in the team channel. Okay, perfect. So that's the practical example of using AI Hub. Want to crack your next Power Automate interview? Download this exclusive guide with 50 plus real question and answers. Link is in the description. Please like, subscribe and share this channel. Take care.